Hello everyone! Today, we're excited to introduce to you the beautiful and vibrant Davao region, also known as the Region 11.
That's right! The Davao region is located in the southeastern of Mindanao and is made up of 5 provinces: Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, Davao Oriental, Davao de Oro, and Davao Occidental.
The region is composed of 43 municipalities and 6 cities, including Panabo City, Samal City, Tagum City, Davao City, Digos City, and Mati City. Davao City is the regional center and one of the most urbanized cities in the Philippines.
Davao is famously called the fruit basket in the Philippines because it produces a wide variety of tropical fruits like durian, pomelo, mangosteen, and marang. These fruits are not only delicious but also a big part of the region's economy.
Aside from its fruits, Davao is also a cultural melting pot. The region is home to indigenous groups such as the Bagobo, Mandaya, Mansaka, and Kalagan, and their traditions blend with Spanish, Malay, and Chinese influences, especially in food and festivals.
So whether you're interested in nature, culture, or food, Davao region offers a rich experience that reflects its diverse heritage and natural bounty.
Now that we've introduced the region, let's explore some of its famous dishes and culinary traditions. Let's start with a warm and rich drink called sikwate. It's made from pure cacao tablets called tableya, which are sun-dried and roasted here in Davao, one of the country's top cacao producers. It's perfect with puto maya, a sticky rice cake, or sumang mangga, suman with ripe mango slices.
That sounds delicious. Next, we have morawi, the sweet delicacy from Bagobo tribe. It's made of glutinous rice, coconut milk, and sugar, cooked slowly over wood fire and wrapped in banana leaves for a smoky flavor. It's usually served during special celebrations.
Since Davao is by the coast, seafood is a big part of the cuisine. Fresh tuna, crabs, prawns, and sea urchins are common. One famous dish is kinilaw, a fresh raw fish marinated in vinegar, calamansi, and spices. It's refreshing and tangy.
And don't miss rice bibingka, a chewy rice cake made from native upland rice flavored with coconut cream and muscovado sugar. Topped with filtered coconut or cheese, some versions even have ginger or pandan for extra aroma.
For something smoky and sweet, try jampok, a Maguindanaon snack made from grated cassava, coconut milk, and brown sugar, grilled over charcoal. It has a caramelized crust that's just irresistible.
If you love sweets, bukayo is a must-try. It's made from grated coconut and caramelized sugar, sometimes flavored with pandan or vanilla. In Davao, there's even a durian flavor version for a creamy twist.
Speaking of unique dishes, how about crocodile sisig? It's like the classic sisig but uses crocodile meat, which is leaner and tastes like chicken. It's sauteed with onions, chili, and calamansi, served sizzling hot.
Interesting snack is amig, a thin crispy fried rice cake made by pouring butter in a circular motion into hot oil, creating a web-like shape. It's a slightly sweet and perfect with coffee or...
And for a crunchy treat, binangkan is a deep-fried sesame-covered bread ball. Sometimes, it's filled with durian for a richer flavor.
Please, we can't forget sutoki, a trio of seafood dishes grilled with sugba soup or tola, and raw marinated kinilaw. It's a great way to enjoy Davao's fresh seafood in different styles.
That's just a taste of what Davao has to offer, from indigenous delicacies to fresh seafood and unique sweets The region's food truly reflects its rich culture and natural bounty.
We hope you enjoyed this virtual culinary tour. Next time you visit Davao, be sure to try these dishes and experience the flavors yourself.